Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss more about packages in R. So let's get started. This is content we will do. So first question is, what is package? Package is a piece of R code. So I told you what is package in my previous video. Please go and watch it. Now let's discuss what is the meaning of package state. So before going forward, I want to say why you need to know these things, because if you want to deploy the our application, then you have to know how to manage the package. That's why I am making this video. So what are package state? So there are two form of package you will find in the internet. Like, so there are to server is nothing, is just, so cran or github is just like a website, a server. You can think as a Google Drive you use every day where you put your files. So similar like that, cran and github. You find two form of package R code, basically the source code, which is written by the user, and the binary code. So in the GitHub account, you will find the source code, and in the cran, if you go in the cran website, you find the source code also and binary code also in the compressed file. Compressed file, you can see that dot dot gz. So you can think it is a container, okay, where you put your source code and binary code. For example, so if you go in the cran website, you will find the source code. So I am showing you the example of deployer package, and there are also binaries are available for Windows operating system and Mac OS operating system. And if you go in the GitHub account, you find the source code. So this command you run in the previous video, and what it actually do and how it works, I explain in this video. Whenever you install or run this command, what happens that it download the R code in the compressed file. Now your package is installed in the compressed file. Then what happens that it extract the source code from the compressed file, and you got the source code. Then after that, what happens that our source code is convert into the binary code. These all things happens. So it happens automatically. That's why you not realize. Now let's keep in your mind that our interpreter only understand the binary file. He doesn't know about the source code. He does not able to execute the source code. You have to convert the source code into the binary code. For execution the code, you need to load the binary code into the RAM. So how you can do it? To do that, you typically use the library command. So library command, what it do, it loads your binary code into the RAM. Then finally you are able to use the functions available in the deployer package. So this is how it works. You understood how the source code which is contained in the compressed file, how it download. Now let's see how the binary code is installed. So if you run this command like install.packages, you most of the time you run this command. So what it actually do, it download the binary code by default, and internally what it do, it run the command like rcmd install your package name, so in the terminal. So whenever you run this command, what happens that it download your binary code and extract the binary code and directly place or installed in your hard disk. If you want to install the package source code, R source code, which is contained in the .trget form from the cran website, you have to run this command installed packages your package name, and you have to type equal to source. These all things I show you by doing manually so that you can understand. I open the cran website, and so this is a source code, and this is a binary code available for the different operating system. So what I do now, I download the source code. Binary for Linux operating system is not provided, but to show you the example how the binary file of R looks like, I installed the Windows binary. So I click this things. So this is my download folder, and where I installed the dplyr source code, and this is a Windows binary. So if I open this file, so this is your source code. So .r is a source code. So if you go in the binary file, I open this file, and so here you can see that this is not the .r, it is a .rdx rdb. So this is a binary file. Of course, this is a Windows binary file, so it is only execute in the Windows operating system. Now I installed the dplyr package from the source code. So what you typically do, you open the RStudio and run the command like install dot packages dplyr, like that I will show you. So this is a RStudio, and you type install dot packages and you put your dplyr code, and you finally then you use the code by using library command. If I run this, so as you can see that there is no package dplyr in my hard disk. So what I do, I installed this source code into my hard disk. To first I rename it. Then you have to type rcmd install your package name d.targz. So this is a command you need to run. So what it do, it installed your packages in the home directory. So in the Windows operating system, it will download in the document folder. So this is my home directory, and this is R, where all the packages are installed. So there are no dplyr package. So if I run this command, you will get the dplyr package. So I enter it. So your dplyr package is installed. So this is your dplyr code. So this is your binary file actually. So .rdx file. Now you are able to use dplyr. If I control enter, so you are able to use now. Now question is arise, why it installed in the home directory in this folder? Why? Because all the configuration file in the Windows in the Ubuntu operating system, I show you. If I open the terminal, so all the configuration file of Linux operating system is stored in the etc folder. So I go in the etc folder. So here you will find the R folder. So I go in the R folder. If I open the R environment file, and here you can see that R users library is installed in the home directory library 4.0. So that's why it is stored. You can change according to your requirement. in the Windows operating system, you can also see that. In the next video, I will discuss the package dependencies, and I will also convert my user-defined packages in the binary file also, and source code also. And I will upload my next video in tomorrow. Thank you to see my videos.